Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to do another episode of my Glam series, and this time we're doing it spring edition. So if you're interested in getting this eye look, then just keep on watching. First, I'll be taking my ABH Riviera palette and the shade Coastline, and I will be applying this shade all over my transition area. I'm then taking my PS Bronze Shade and Shimmer palette, and I'm taking this coral shade on a more precise blending brush, and I am applying this on the outer corner and the inner corner, and also making sure that the two corners are connected in the crease. I am then going back into the first brush I used, and I am blending out the edges. Going back into my PS palette, and I am taking this Center Berry shade on a more precise brush, and I'm applying that again on my outer corner and my inner corner, making sure the halo is intensified. Going back to the second brush that I use, and I'm just blending out the edges. Now for the star of the show, I'm taking the shade Inheritance from my Riviera palette on my pinky, and I'm applying that in the center of my eye, and I'm making sure to actually blend it a little bit with my pinky as well. Then going back into the brush that I used the berry shade with, I am just blending out the edges, and I am reapplying the Inheritance shade just to make it a little bit more intense. For my lower lash line, I am mixing the coral shade and the berry shade on a flat but fluffy brush, and I'm applying that underneath my eyes. For my inner corner, I am taking this gold shade that's next to the berry shade, and I'm just applying that on my inner corner. For mascara, I'm using my Miss Sporty Studio Lash, and for my eyeliner, I'm using my Essence Berry Fantastic Eyeliner. For lips, I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Dreamy. And that's it. There you have it. That's my spring glam look. So that is it for today's video. Pretty simple. It's not that difficult, and I think it's a very spring appropriate, especially the eyes in combination with the lips. It just looks beautiful. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.